Well, good morning. Here we are, July 25th, early in the morning. Sun's just coming up over the hill there, the trees. And we're back out here getting something done. We just tore the rest of this wall off. And you can see in there better now. And we'll go over to that wall now and pull that wall down out of the way. So here we go. What a challenge this has been to get that up. I didn't take a video, but he just climbed the ladder up there and threw that through there. And it looks like it's getting about to rain, so I don't know how much more we're going to be able to do today, but at least we got that through there. And I'll hook the other one up and get hooked up to this and see if I can pull that down and see what happens to that roof. Well, it's not what we expected. We were kind of hoping that that roof up there would come down, at least down to the stone foundation. But it stayed up there and we only ripped out the part of the wall, which is all right. Right in the middle there, when we pulled that out, there's a couple 2x4s that didn't come out. They broke and they moved, but then they got wedged. And I think that's holding it up. We'll have to see. I think all that there shouldn't be nothing supporting all that weight, and that should have came down. But it didn't. There's 2x4s right behind that paulownia tree that's growing there in the corner of the stone foundation. I want this to come down before we start pulling that back wall off all the way, or the bottom part. But what happens, what happened. And again, it is going to rain soon. So, well, I'm on the top side again, trying to wrap this up, and it's actually just starting to rain, so I really have to wrap it up now. I've been saying it's going to rain, going to rain. But looking at this now, I tell you, if I'd have still had my case 580B with the extended hoe, this building would have been down in half a day. But with the equipment that we're using and us being in our advanced ages, it has its challenges. Dee said to me when I was pulling, she said, "You're moving the whole building." And I thought, no, but I'm over here looking, and that floor truss right there moved off of that sill log a few inches. So yeah, I was pulling the whole building. I don't know if it would have came down if I kept pulling, but anyway, it's weak structure. So I wanted to get this roof down today, but it's not going to happen. And it looks like maybe we got to get in there and pull that inside, some of this back wall off. I don't know. We shall see, and the rain maybe slows up and stops. So again, yeah, ongoing saga of the barn demo at Black Rock Farm.